Alrighty, everybody, we're still in Cumberland Gap, Tennessee. This is the iron furnace. Okay, and this will be what it looked like back in the day. As you can see here, it's got the water wheel on it. Three tons of iron. Now, we'll walk back up here, show you what's left of it. I had to walk down to get you guys the information. I didn't want to show it to you and then tell you what you was looking at afterwards. So, for some odd reason, when we come here in the summertime, a lot of the Amish people, they really like this thing. I guess where it's handmade and forged and all that. There's one of the little creeks that goes around it. That creek that we crossed the bridge up there, it's the same creek that you see here. That takes you into this, what's left of the furnace, which is the chimney. And it looks like, if you can barely pick up that little shiny thing over there, somebody stowed a quarter in there, I guess to make a wish. So, very historic, very old. It's just right outside of Cumberland Gap there. As you can see the lights down there, that's the town pretty much. So, it's a beautiful place. Like I said, if you've never been, please come check it out. Cumberland Gap, Tennessee. There's where the wheel used to be at, over in that area. Here comes the love of my life. You can see up in the chimney, somebody throwed a quarter inside, I guess, to make a wish. I was telling them how every time we come here, the Amish people are like always in this area, fascinated with it. I guess where it's the old way of doing things, you know. This place does get a lot of visitors, though. It really does, to be hidden away here in the middle of nowhere. And in case you're wondering where our car is, it's about 2 miles to the left. We walked through the mountains to the other end of town. Is what we done. There's a train tunnel down here. I'll show you guys in a little bit. I'm not for sure if the walk bridge is open from LMU into Cumberland Gap. I'll have to check and see if it's opened back up. It was closed for repairs, but my wife's not walked through that one yet. I've not neither. It's actually an underground passage that you can take that takes you from here into LMU to where you don't have to get out onto the highway. It's literally an underground walkway. I found out about it because they had to close it for some repairs, and they had planning on opening it back up this spring. So I'll be checking and seeing if that's opened, and if we're down in here, I'd really like to take a little walk through there. It's got electricity and all that, and pretty neat little adventure from what I hear. It's a safe way for the college kids that don't drive to be able to get over here in town and get them some groceries, something to eat, whatever they need here in town, and get back to their campus safely. And this is the other parking lot at the Iron Furnace where we didn't park at. Which is, if we'd been smart about it, we'd have parked it down here because it's all uphill. At least then it would have been all downhill. So I guess I need to use my noodle next time and try to remember that. But it's all right. I need the exercise. I'm as big as of a balloon. I'm lucky I don't float off. If my blood was helium, I guess I would. I mean, I know I got enough hot air in me. Here's a little more information about the gateway to Kentucky. Shows you the actual trail, I guess, there that Daniel Boone took. And like I told you, for those that didn't know, the whole state of Kentucky at one time was a county of Virginia until 1791 or 92, somewhere like that. It formed its own state. So Virginia couldn't really govern what was going on over here. I mean, Richmond was so far away, and then the mountains and stuff like that. And well, guys, as you can see, this right here is pretty much the little town of Cumberland Gap. So, train tunnel's over here, isn't it? Yeah, I'm gonna go over and get it. Beautiful little town, though. They try to keep the historic look. That's what I like about it. I mean, you look at that house with the columns there. It looks like something you see from the 1800s, like an old courthouse or something. You wouldn't think that was a regular house. And all the people down here seem to be really friendly, I think. So seriously, guys, if y'all ain't never been, come check this place out. missed it. It gets aggravating when they do that. Well, we'll get it. I know we'll get it. And you'll get it. I'm fixing to help you get it. One way or another. Right there, y'all can't hardly see it where it's dark. There's an old train tunnel down there. We'll have to come back and get it in the daytime. So, anyway, guys, if y'all like what we do, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. That way you get our videos that's coming out in the future. Make sure you comment. I try to answer all my comments, as you all know that. And until next time, I guess we'll see you later.